How to convert your USDT to USDC in ByBit or to other tokens. So this is my ByBit, and where I have my USDT is unified trading. So from here you can see that my USDT is less than $1, right? So I'm going to click on it to bring me here. Then you're going to see where they wrote convert here. Here, where they wrote convert. So you're going to click on it. Then it will bring you here. This USDT. You want to convert it to here is showing ton. You are going to click here where is showing ton, the one that is down. You're going to click on it to select which token you want to convert it to. So we'll search here where USDC is another stable currency that you can use to trade, right? So once you want to convert it, but from here they are saying that you can only convert anywhere from $1, one USDT to 9999999, right? So I cannot convert this USDT because it's less than one, right? So from here you can also see that even if it's in your funding wallet, you can change it here. Look at this where they wrote unified trading account. You can change it. That's if you have above one USDT. You can change it here. Click on by clicking on this small arrow here. Then you will change it to funding. You will see unified trading and you see funding. You can change from unified to funding, and you can change from funding to unified. So, but if your USDT is one and above, you simply click on max that is close to that number. Then it will show you the amount in USDC, and you are going to click on quote that is down there, and that's it. Because my USDT is less than one, I can't convert it. So what I will do is to go and convert it to another token. So I'll take you back to this place. So from here now, I'm going to click on this arrow here. Let me show you. I'll click on this sign of convert. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you here. It will say convert to MNT. MNT is is a token that I believe is good. Is a good token. You can convert any of your small balance, any of your token to MNT, including USDT. So this is USDT here. This is USDT here. So I'm just going to click on the box there to check. I'll click on the box there, and then you click convert to convert my 0.2 USDT now. So it's going to convert from it to 0.2 MNT token. So I'll just click on convert to confirm. So once it's confirmed, it submits successfully. So you will go back, and as you can see, I no longer have USDT, but my MNT balance has increased. So that's how you convert it. If your balance is too low to convert to, if your balance is, if your USDT balance is too low to convert to USDC, you will just simply convert it to this MNT token. I think that's it.